My name is Regina Nuzzo, and I am the new Senior Advisor for Statistics Communication and Media Innovation at the American Statistical Association. I have an undergraduate degree in industrial engineering from the University of South Florida, and then I went and got a PhD in statistics from Stanford University in California. Then I did a postdoc in the Department of Psychology at McGill University. And then I went back to California and did the graduate science writing program at University of California, Santa Cruz. And then somehow I ended up in DC. And for the past 13 years, I've taught statistics and American Sign Language at Gallaudet University in Washington, D.C., and I just switched to my new position at the ASA. So I'm really excited about this new position at the ASA. It's a brand new position, and the idea, I kind of have three big main ideas that I want to do with this position. So the first is to bring more data and more statistics to journalism and communicators. And journalists and communicators, they often don't have a background in statistics or data, but increasingly they need to do this. They need to translate statistical information from scientific articles, from research, from financial results, and sometimes they're actually doing their own data analysis in this new thing called data journalism. So they're being asked to do this. They need to do it, but they don't always have the training to do that. So I want to bring more of that statistics and that training and those ideas there. Then on the other hand, I want to bring more communication skills to statisticians and people who work with data. So that's students or engineers or executives, anyone who works with data. Often we're not really given the opportunities to practice and get rewarded for communication. And by communication, I just mean things in writing, spoken communication, maybe even data visualization or a comic artist, any way of communicating this very difficult thing, quantitative information. So science communication is a big thing out in the world, but communicating quantitative information is much more difficult because by nature, quantitative information is abstract. So the more I can bring these two worlds together, the better off we'll be in my third goal, which is bringing more statistics to a general audience. So I find statistics and data to be absolutely fascinating and powerful and fun. And I want to bring more of that to people, again, through writing about things or talking about things and helping these two groups be able to spread that mission to a general population about why stats is so much fun. So I'm also series editor of a really exciting series, the ASA-CRC series on statistical reasoning in science and society. And this is just the same idea for the position I was talking about at the ASA. It's bringing statistics and the joy of statistics to a general audience in plain English, in plain language. So these are not textbooks with a lot of formulas and equations. These are authors, statisticians, experts in their fields, sharing stories and the joy. We published 7 books so far, and there are more still in production, and we've covered a broad range of topics from sports to crime to healthcare fraud, and we're always open looking for new ideas, new exciting things that touch in science and society for a general audience, but that intersect with data and statistics in some way.